Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Girish Kumar JB, currently studying in SPC College in Bangalore. My subject is research methodology. My topic is experimental design concept like control groups, randomization, and replication. Introduction to experimental design. Experimental design is crucial for obtaining valid and reliable research results. It involves planning how to collect data in a systematic way. Understanding the key concept enhance the quality of scientific investigations. Importance of experimental design. Proper experimental design minimize the basis of errors in research. It allows research to draw a meaningful conclusions for their data. Well-designed experimental that can lead to advertisement in various fields. Key concepts of experimental design. The primary concepts include control groups, randomization, and replication. Each concept plays a vital role in ensuring the integrity of experiment. Understanding these concepts is essential for effective research methodology. What is control group? A control group is a baseline against which the experimental group is compared. It is not exposed to experimental treatments or intervention. Control groups help research isolated the effects of the treatment. Types of control groups. There are several types of control groups, including placebo and active controls. Placebo control receive inactive treatment to measure physiological effects. Active control receive an alternative treatment comparison purpose. Role of control groups in research. Control group helps in establishing cause and effect relationships. They reduce the influence of confounding variables on the outcomes. Without control groups, the validity of the research finding is comparable. What is randomization? Randomization is the process of assigning participants to groups randomly. It helps eliminate selection basis and ensure the groups are comparable. Randomization enhances the reliability of the results and conclusions. Methods of randomization. Randomization can be achieved through a technique such as random number generators. Satisfied random sampling ensures key characteristics and represented in the groups. Block randomization can also be used to maintain balance across the treatment groups. Benefits of randomization. Randomization improves the internal validity of an experiment. It allows the experimental generation to finding the broader populations. The technique helps to control the confounding variables effectively. External validity. External validity refers to the extent to which research finding the generalized or applied to real or setting behind the specified study conditions. Subtypes: population validity, temporal validity, ecological validity, across cultural validity, task validity, measurement validity. Definition: external validity assesses the degree to which the result obtained in a study accurately represented the behavior relationships and outcomes that would occur in a broader population or different content. High external validity implies the findings are more likely to hold true in diverse situations. What is replication? Replication involves repeating an experiment to verify finding. It serves to confirm the variability and consistency of the result. A well-replicated study strengths and evidence for the hypothesis. Types of replication. Direct replication involves the repeating the exact same experiment. Conceptual replication tests the same hypothesis in which different methods. Both types of essential establishing the substance and research finding. Importance of replication since replication helps to identify the potential errors or basis of the original studies. It builds confidence in scientific claims over the time. A lack of replication can be lead to the dissemination of a false information. Ethical consideration in experimental design. Researchers must ensure the ethical treatment and participant the studies inform the constant is crucial. We have enrolling in what individual in experiments. Researchers should minimize any potential harm to participant. Challenges in experimental design. Designing the experiments can be complex and time consuming. Researchers may face difficulties in randomization and group assessment. Balancing ethical consideration with scientific rigor often challenging. Real world experimental design. Experimental design concepts are used to clinical trials for new meditations. They are also applied in educational research to evaluate teaching methods. Social science often utilize experimental design to study human behaviors. Case studies. Clinic trials often employ control groups to test new drugs. Randomization is critical to ensuring unbiased results in treatment efficiency. Replication of a trials across the different population strengths findings. Tools for experimental design. Software programs can aid to designing and analyzing the experiment. Statistics methods help determine the sample size and randomization techniques. Online platforms provide resources and templates for researchers. Future directions in experimental design. Advanced technical technology may lead to new methods of data collection and analysis. Increasing focus on ethical considerations will shape future research protocols. The integration of machine learning could enhance the experimental designs. Summary of a key points. Control groups, randomization, and replication are foundational concepts. Each concept contributes to reliability and validity of a research findings. Understanding the principles is essential for conducting robust experiments. Conclusion. Experimental design is a cornerstone of a scientific research methodology. Mastering these concepts enhance the quality of a research outcomes. Continued education and practice is experimental design is vital researchers. This presentation outline over covers the essential concepts of experimental design while ordering the requested format. Thank you for guys watching.